Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness. So I'm going to be sharing with you a few things that I eat in a day, so let's hop right into it. So for breakfast I had an egg sandwich. I'm using this vegan just egg and this stuff tastes just like eggs. And I'm seasoning it with some black pepper, some sea salt, garlic powder, and a little bit of black salt. The black salt gives it the eggy flavor, so I definitely recommend using it. Then I just added some dairy-free butter into a skillet, my whole wheat bread, added some Daiya cheese, added my egg on top, some ketchup, and I just let it cook on both sides until it was golden brown. And I ate these with some blackberries, and that's what I had for breakfast. I have been loving these Sun Gold kiwis. They are so good. I got these from my local farmers market. I definitely recommend trying these. And the skin is even different than the original kiwi. It's not so furry and thick, so you can eat the skin as well. I'm telling you, I love eating these cold. They're just nice and juicy. You gotta try them. For lunch, I kept it simple. I had some brown rice and quinoa with some cherry tomatoes and chickpeas. I normally cook my own rice, but I like having these little packets. I got it from Sprouts. It's quinoa and brown rice, and you just make a little slit at the top and then microwave it for 90 seconds. So while that was in the microwave, I added some cherry tomatoes to a skillet, 1 can of chickpeas, and I just seasoned it with a little bit of salt and pepper. I let the cherry tomatoes cook down. I added some red onion. Once everything was cooked down, I added the rice, and then I turned the flame off and added a handful of spinach. And that's it. It was very simple and very delicious. The rice was really good. It has a yummy garlic flavor to it. So it's really a quick and healthy meal if you just want something and you don't want to be in the kitchen all day. Okay, whatever I was going to make for dinner, that it's canceled because my mom made some, what is this, Italian cheesesteaks with the impossible meat. You already know it. Just look at this. I cannot wait to bite into this. Just look at how beef-like this looks. She also made some jardiniere, which is pickled vegetables. I believe I said that right, jardiniere. And it has cauliflower in it, mushrooms, carrot, jalapenos, peppers. And honestly, I'm surprised it tastes this good. You're supposed to put it on sandwiches and stuff, but I'm just eating it by itself. I will put the link to my mom's recipes in the description box. A link to her website. If you want to know how to make this, do yourself a favor and do that. Okay, let me bite into this cheesesteak. Guys, that is so good. That is amazing. That is the best cheesesteak I've ever tasted. Vegan or non-vegan. The bread is soft. And this impossible meat is the best vegan meat. It's the best vegan meat substitute when it comes to beef because it tastes just like it. It's so good. There's really no words to describe how good this is. You just have to try it for yourself. I'm not surprised though because my mom's like the best cook ever. But if you're vegan or vegetarian and you love the taste of meat, this is the route to go. Well, I'm not going to finish that entire cheesesteak in front of the camera because that's not fair, and because I need a table because I'm about to dig in. It's so good. So thank you so much for watching. I'd appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.